Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Fabian Rodriguez. I am a technical community manager at Recast and a former sysadmin who's worked hands-on with Microsoft Intune and Configuration Manager. In this video series, we will talk about practical, real-world guidance for IT admins to succeed with modern endpoint management. I want to introduce to you Windows Autopilot, and I want to keep it simple so you understand what it is, how it works, and how you can start using it. At a high level, Windows Autopilot is a cloud-based service that helps you set up and pre-configure new devices so that they're ready to use right out of the box. So instead of IT building and imaging every device, you can ship that laptop straight to the user and then they sign in. The device configures itself. Apps install, policies apply, settings get configured, and all that during the login process. So this is a big shift from how we used to do things, where you would image the device, manually configure it, and then ship it out to the end user. With Autopilot, there is no imaging, there is no manual setup, and there is no need for IT to touch that device. And for the user, they just basically turn it on, connect to the Wi-Fi, and sign in. And everything else is handled for them. So we don't need to go super deep here, just to understand the flow. Behind the scenes, the device gets registered with Autopilot. You assign it a deployment profile, the user powers it on, signs in, and Intune kicks in and configures everything. So think of Autopilot as the setup experience and Intune as what actually manages the device. Let's say you hire a new employee. Instead of shipping a device to IT, configuring it, and shipping it again to the end user, you can order that device, have it registered with Autopilot, and ship it directly to the end user. They log in and it's ready to go. Autopilot is awesome, but it's not magic. So you still need to have Intune set up, proper policies based on your company's requirements, apps configured for installation, or made available within the company portal, groups targeting your devices so they get those policies that you created. Autopilot just delivers the experience during the setup. Still, as IT, need things set up in place in order for them to work correctly. So if you're learning this for the first time, start simple, set up Intune first, walk through an Autopilot registration, create a basic deployment profile, create a test device group, which we assign the Autopilot deployment profiles to, then run your first test device. And once you understand that, you're starting to build the modern device management workflow. And before we wrap up, if you're already working with Intune and looking to make things easier, tools like Recast can help. With right-click tools and application workspace, you can get faster fixes, better visibility, and simplify how you manage devices and applications. You can download the right-click tools for Intune for free. Check the description below if you want to learn more. And I hope this helped, and I'll catch you at the next one.